Hi guys, welcome back to Financial Ninja Japan. Today, I'll show you how to buy mutual funds on SBI Securities for your NISA 2024. A little bit about my profile. For those interested, please do have a look. In this video, you'll learn how to navigate the basic menus on the SBI platform. You'll also learn how to set up a regular monthly purchase for your NISA account, and I'll be showing you the exact funds I will be buying for my own NISA account. For those who needs a refresher, feel free to check this what is NISA video, and I've also prepared another video on how to buy mutual funds in Rakuten Securities, so you can check that out as well. So please watch until the end. Alright, let's get it started. First, go to the website and hit your username as well as password and hit the login buttons. A different page might show up, but it doesn't matter as long as you hit this mutual fund tabs here, and you'll be able to see this page. You should click this second tab over here, which shows you there are product lineups. There are 2,581 different product lineups here. I have been purchasing these two. To clarify, the purpose of this video is to show you how to purchase mutual funds. So I'm not going to talk about what are the best funds out there. So I'm just going to show you which mutual funds I've been purchasing myself. So I'm going to choose eMaxi S&P 500 this time. So once you click into this screen should pop out, and hit this Tsumitate Kaitsuke button, which means regular monthly purchase button. It should direct you to this Nyuryoku Nayo, which is the input information here. This means the method of payment. For those who have no credit cards, cash is the easiest, so choose Genkin. This is the most important part here, so you should choose NISA, Tsumitate Toshiraku. Otherwise, if you choose Tokute or Ippan, it will be a taxable account instead. And click this NISA Waku Girigiri Chumon. So this box means you'll be able to max out your NISA order. So click this, and the next step is to choose which regulars that you like to have your mutual funds purchased. You can choose every day, every week, but I recommend monthly. So choose this monthly button here, and then you can choose which day. So I choose the 10th. You're not allowed to choose the 1st or the 30th every month. And this is the amount of investment you like to make. So as you might have known, for the Tsumitate portion, the maximum monthly contribution is 100k. So here I put 100k. Choose no for this bonus payment, and then hit the next button. So just scroll down. So this is kind of like their brochure. So once you scroll further down, you'll be able to see the composition of this S&P 500, which shows you which companies that you are investing in: Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, etc. And then hit the confirm button, and this is the confirmation page here, which shows you what type of funds here: S&P 500 eMaxi Slim, and method of payment: cash, NISA taxable account. So you're using your Tsumitate portion, and you have your NISA to max out its order, and as well as the amount. So this is the amount of your investment, so make sure that it's the right amount here. And then it says 0 yen for processing fees, so this should be the way. And then monthly course on the 10th of every month, and this is your next order date. And then hit the password, and then hit this setting button. Congratulations! You have just set up your regular purchase for your NISA on SBI Securities. To check your order, click this button here. So here you'll be able to see this order has already been implemented, and what you need to do next is to input money. So you have to scroll up, hit this transaction button here, and then hit this input New King button here. And it will direct you to this page where it'll give you the option of real-time money input here. So you have all the banks that you need. So you should be able to choose one of the banks here. For me, I'll choose this, and then it should direct you to this page where you have your preferred banks here, and then you input the amount of money here. So for me, it will be 100k times 12, which gives us this 1.2 million here. And the processing fee is free as well. And hit this password, and then hit this confirm button. And this is the confirmation page for the bank. And then hit this button, which will bring you to the specific bank's online banking page. To make sure that your money has been transferred from your bank to your SBI Securities account, go to the home button here, and you can check what is the amount available in your securities account. That's it. Done. That was easy, wasn't it? So once you start your NISA journey, you're on a way to unlocking one of the 5 superpowers the rich have mastered, which is the power of increasing. You can check it out in my previous videos. That's it. If you think this video is beneficial, share it to your friends living in Japan. Hit like or subscribe to my channel, or comment for any questions and topics that you'd like me to talk about. Happy learning, happy investing.